All right. Your topic is area and perimeter in the coordinate plane. In the coordinate plane. Why do you have a sub?
We started off the school year with a sub.
Okay.
Lymph nodes?
Yeah, your lymph nodes. Oh, Deja? You have lymph nodes, different parts of your body. You can get lymph node cancer. And you can, thank you. Not that she has that, but you can get lymph node cancer. You have them like on your underarms, like in your throat. When you have, when you're sick and you have like strep throat, they always feel right here. You ever had the doctor like feel your throat? That's what they're looking for. What? Yeah, they get swollen is what happens. Oh, yeah. Projector screen. Yes.
I would be like so panicky.
Miss Brown is gonna proctor it.
Which one is start?
Your AP test is 11:30, Brown?
I'm going to be there 11:30.
It was about 12.
Until like 5, right?
4.
Probably 4:30. By the time you go through everything and collect everything.
It's about 4:30.
Wait, the kids that are taking it, do they still come to go to the first period?
They're supposed to, but sometimes their parents let them stay home to study or whatever.
I heard it's bad.
It is. Cramming never helps you. That's why I've been warning you to start studying for your what? Your final. If you start studying now, hopefully it sticks by then. Question? I don't remember the page. Was it 51? I don't remember. All right, and I find area and perimeter in the coordinate plane. Oh, bless you. Bless you. No. All right, let's talk about area and perimeter. What are our 3 basic shapes? Triangle, square, and a rectangle, okay? What's the formula for, so we have triangle, square, and rectangle. Is a square a rectangle? Yes, it is. No, it is. It's just a special type of rectangle. What makes it special? All what? All sides are equal, right? All sides are congruent. So let's refresh our memory, because some of us messed it up on the quiz. If this is my triangle, how do you find the area? Put your Gatorade away. Base times height. Divided by 2. Good. Where is the base located? On the bottom. Where's your height located? And the inside, good, has to be straight up and down vertical, right? Do we need any of the outside pieces like this? No, we just need this base and this height. Okay, square. What did you say about a square? What makes it special? All sides are congruent. Very good. What do you know about its angles? They're all right angles, so these are perpendicular lines, yeah? Look at that. What's the formula for a square? Base times height. Where's your base? Bottom. Where's your height? On the side. So vertical. Rectangle. What's special about a rectangle? They're all right angles. What sides are congruent? Two sides, but which two sides? Top and bottom are congruent to each other. What else? The two sides are congruent to each other as well. What's the formula? Good, base times height. Where's your base? Bottom. Does it matter if I put the base on bottom or top?
Yes.
No. Doesn't matter. It's the same thing. Because they're what? Because they're congruent. Good. Height? On side. We just like to write on the same side, but it doesn't matter, right? I can give you the number here, give you the number here. It doesn't matter. Yep. Do you remember why the triangle is divided by 2? No? Okay. Triangle, yes? What did I just make? Square. Or rectangle, right? How many triangles are in the rectangle? 2. So why do we divide this by 2? Because it's cutting that in what? It's cutting it in half. Okay? So those aren't divided by 2. This one's divided by 2. Okay? Because we can make 2 of them in here. Make sense? Okay. We good? All right. Couple things you need to remember that you're going to need. 1, distance. Why do you think I need distance? Missing sides. Good. What sides do I have to use distance for? The ones that are vertical and horizontal? You can, but it's more work. What could you do if they're horizontal or vertical? You can count. So where do I need distance? The ones that are what? Slanted or diagonal, right? They're tilted. So what's the distance formula you want to use? I'll start you off. D equals the square root of what? X2 minus X1 squared
Plus parentheses y2 minus y1 squared.
Good. Or no run over nothing. Y squared plus run squared. Rise over run is slope, so be careful. Sarah, what are we doing? Good so far? Yeah. Everything we should know? Yeah? All right. Let's do some examples. Find the perimeter and area. Does it matter which one of these you use? Not in the graph, right? If you want to use the bottom one, use the bottom one. If you want to use the top one, use the top one. Doesn't matter to me. But you do have to write it every single time, yes? Okay. Yeah. Whichever one you use, you have to write every single time. Why do you think I make you write it? So you can remember it. Because how many of you couldn't remember it the other day? A lot of us. How many of us couldn't remember point slope the other day? A lot of us. Yes? So you need to write them every single time, correct? Okay. All right, let's draw. Draw yourself an X and Y axis. Stop it. We good? All right. Let's put a point at 3, -2. We'll call it letter D. Let's go 3, +3. We'll call it letter B. Let's go -4, +3. Call it letter A. Then let's go back to -4 and -2 and call it letter C. And then go ahead and connect your points. Good? Okay. What 2 things do I need you to find? Perimeter and area. Before you find either of those, what should you probably start with? You should start with perimeter, but we don't have anything, so what do we need? How are we going to start? Counting. So you're going to count the distance. You're going to count the distance from where to where? A to B. B to D. Okay, go. Sorry. Okay, so put it down. Check with someone next to you, see how what you counted. You're supposed to be counting the sides, so see if you counted the sides correctly. Ready? Are you ready? All right, let's count. Starting here. go from A to B, yes?
Yes.
So I'm going to start here because it's easier to count here. So from here, do I count this line? No, it's 0. So then I count
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Did you just get here?
You like cake or food? Doesn't matter.
Alright, now I'm going to draw this right because it should be on this line, correct? It should be on 3. So from here, let's count going from B to D. We're going to count. Who had 5 and 7? Good. Do you notice I had to count which one? A lot of you skipped the origin. You guys skipped the origin. You don't skip it. It's still a number, right? You're still counting the origin. Don't skip the origin. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
No, from A to C, that's 6, right? Like, if you kind of from...
That's
1, 2, 3, 4. This is the one I said I didn't draw it on the line. It should be 5.
That's... Oh,
He's good. He's good.
David, no? No.
All right, we have 7 and we have 5. Yes? All right, so this is 7 and this is 5. What do you think the bottom is? 7. What do you think the other one is? Did you count it? David. You're supposed to say yes. All right, so how do we find perimeter? How many am I adding? 7 plus? 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 Add that together. Tell me what you get. 24 what? Very good. Why is it units?
Because
There's no measurement.
There's no measurement. Good. Okay, what do you need to find next?
area.
Okay, so what's the formula?
Base times
Okay. What's your base?
3,
Try that again.
7,
7. What's your height?
5,
Area equals what?
35 units squared.
35 units what?
Squared.
Squared. I'm losing my voice. Sorry,
Oh,
guys.
I guess we can't do now.
Oh, I can still teach. Don't worry. I'll just turn the speaker up. We good here? Let's do another one. What's wrong with you?
I said, do you need my name?
Oh, no, it was like a frog. Oh, him?
Yeah.
I know. I have it in him. He's special. You what?
What?
It still hurts?
I feel so like,
I feel like,
ooh.
oh my god.
Oh my god.
Did you eat this morning?
No, I didn't.
That's the problem. You should probably have eaten something like crackers or toast. Crackers or toast. You have too much acid in your stomach right now. So you had to put something in it to soak it up, yeah.
I'll go to shit after.
Don't get hot Cheetos.
Obviously.
I just wanted to tell you the obvious in case you didn't know.
They're so bad for your stomach.
They are, but they're kind of good.
But you shouldn't eat them like 20% of my most.
No, like, I also,
You shouldn't eat them at 10 o'clock at night before you go to bed.
Yeah.
I was hungry.
Wonder who did that. Oh, you can't forget the buffalo.
Oh, the buffalo wings to go with it.
Who could have the drink? Orange juice?
Oh, no, I don't even remember. It was a wild night.
It was a wild night.
Jakai, what do you do?
What do you mean when I'm...
Yeah, what do you do? Mm-hmm. Did you draw your graph? Instead of making funny faces across the side. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Sure you don't. Let's graph the first point. The first point is going to be -3, +2. -3, +2. I'll put the point in case you didn't Get it. Negative 3, positive 2.
What is that?
R. R. Negative 3, negative 2. Are you going to make it through the day, David?
I'm trying not to, honestly.
Positive 3, negative 2. Shh, be quiet. Okie dokie. What kind of shape do I see? Okay.
We actually did this.
You can do distance, yes. All right, so you're still finding perimeter? Can you find the perimeter right now this second? Nope. You have to use what? Distance, or anyone else see anything? Oh, I heard it. How do you know Pythagorean theorem?
Because it's a
What kind of triangle? How did you know it was right?
because it just kind of
This is what kind of line?
a straight.
All lines are straight, guys. Starts with a V. Vertical, and this is what? Horizontal, and a vertical and a horizontal make a right angle. There we go. So you can do one of two things. You can use Pythagorean theorem, or you can use distance. Do I care which one? Go solve. Whatever one you use, you have to write the formula. Bless you. How many are using distance? How many are using Pythagorean theorem? How many of you are still lost? Shocker. Who has distance done? Who has Pythagorean theorem? You need answers. You need a check. You can use Pythagorean theorem. I'm going to do both.
Pretty sure I didn't do it right.
What? Ready? Come on. Wake up, sir. All right, let's count. First of all, did you count this distance?
Yeah.
What'd you get? 6 is correct. Okay, did we count this distance? How much was it?
4.
That's correct. Okay, we good?
We have a question. One it's like on a test. Would there be like better graphs? So you
Yes, there's better graphs.
That was getting like 84 and stuff because of the graph.
Can you count the 6 again? Isn't it 5?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're at 3.
Oh.
That's why I gave you the points.
Okay,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? We good? Okay. How many did Pythagorean theorem? How many did distance? Should have tried something. We'll start with Pythagorean theorem because only a couple people did it. What's Pythagorean theorem?
C squared equals A squared.
Good. Never say 2. Always say squared. All right. What's your C? X. How do you know it's x1? C is always across from where? The right angle. Okay? So then what's your A? 4. Sure. Does it matter? Nope. What's your B? 6 squared. All right. What is 4 squared? 16. What is 6 squared? What do you get when you add those? 52. What do you get when you take the square root? Oh. Approximately what? 7.2? Okay. If you did distance, are you going to get about 7.2?
Yeah.
You should. All right, did you do 1 squared, that one?
Yeah.
Okay. So distance equals y squared, 1 squared? Okay. So distance equals, well, we just counted our rise. What is our rise? 4 squared plus, what's our run? 6 squared. So what's 4 squared? 16. What's 6 squared? What do you get when you add those? Radical what? 52, which gives me about 7.2. I ran out of room right there. Yeah? Okay. So up in my picture, I'm going to label this 7.2. I know it's an approximation, but then that's going to help me, yeah? Can I find the perimeter? Okay, how?
7.2 plus 4 plus 6.
Good, 7.2 plus 4 plus 6. So perimeter, is it an equal or approximation? Approximation, why? Did I round? What did I round? What did I round? I rounded to the nearest tenth on the distance, yes? So this is an approximation on 7.2. So then that means this is still an approximation, correct? Okay, so 7.2 plus 4 plus 10, plus 6 is 17.2 what? Units, very good. Who had the distance or the Pythagorean theorem right? Good. Some of you are still lost. If you didn't do it this way, could you have done it with the points? Yeah, I gave you the points for that reason too. Okay? All right, what's next? Area. What's the formula for area? Base times height. Divided by 2. What's your base? 6. What's your height?
4.
Divide by?
2.
What's 6 times 4? Divide by 2? It's 12 what?
12 squared.
Very good. Questions? Do you understand what we're doing? A little bit? Makes sense? Obviously in your homework it looks prettier. Yes? This is just for now. Okay, summary. Go.